Then we have two more Ardhasamavrittas, Aparavaktra and Pushpitagra. Aparavaktra and Pushpitagra are very close cousins like Viyogini and Aupachandasika. If one guru is added at the end of Aparavaktra, it becomes Pushpitagra. Here and even in the earlier varieties, the odd lines are similar and the even lines are similar. Odd lines make one unit and even lines make another unit. One example of Aparavaktra. An Aparavaktra from Kalidasa's Shakuntalam 4th Act. Anumata Gamana Shakuntala Tarubhiriyam Vanavasa Bandhubhi Parabhrata Virutam Kalam Yatha Prativachani Kritame Bhiridrisham. You shall repeat. Anumata Gamana Shakuntala Tarubhiriyam Vanavasa Bandhubhi Parabhrata Virutam Kalam Yatha Prativachani Kritame Bhiridrisham. Here also there is no yati.